So here is my Texas Chainsaw Massacre remake handlebar for my Husqvarna 359. Sorry about the lighting in here, guys, but I'm sort of inside right now. You know what, guys? Hold on. I'll go out on the front porch and I'll fix the lighting with that one, because it's bright as fuck outside. Okay, so here it is. The first one I did, it was a little bit too sloppy. But this one, I took off the saw and wrapped the duct tape around with it. And it actually looks more like the movie. So, I just went ahead and went with that. And as you can see, there's no paint on the side that sticks out, so it looks good just like the movie. And it actually feels better than my other one. It's like, holding it, it won't give me, like, feels a whole lot better than my other one. I'll just put it that way. But, there you guys go. And if you want one of these made for your saw, just leave me a comment below, and please like, subscribe, and this is Justin Gillen signing out.